All right, welcome everyone. Well, I think it's time to make amends from what happened last year, and it's not going to be all rainbow and sunshine. So let's do a briefing of what really happened, how I evolved with futures trading, and where I am now, and maybe what the future is going to hold. First and foremost, you guys have to understand that it's really not rainbow and sunshine everything, because if you think that you can, you just buy a 50K evaluation or challenge or combine account, and in the next month you're going to be making thousands of dollars. I have to tell you guys, it's not reality. Since I'm trading futures and I joined TopStep, and around August, I think, that's where I bought my first few accounts. Since then, I pretty much made over $4,000. I think I just got a summary, an email too from TopStep. I also bought challenge accounts at Apex as well. But I'm going to tell you guys, I got funded, but I blown those accounts. So since I'm trading futures, all I have in payouts is the ones that I got from TopStep. And before you say, oh my God, that's great because that's cool, you're already profitable. Not really, because this is the thing that, not everyone tells you. And it's about that. I think as far as I summarized, I spent nearly just as much money for challenge accounts at these future prop firms that I've taken out at TopStep. So if you really want to ask for my P&L, maybe I'm around break even. I should say so. So maybe I'm around break even, but I'm looking forward for this year to make some profits. And you really have to look at it like a business, because if you don't treat your trading career as a business, then you're definitely going to have some trouble. And I consider this money that I spent on challenge or evaluation or combine accounts, I consider it as cost of business or education, you may say so. And I just want you guys to face the reality, because in social media, most likely a lot of so-called influencers just going to post out that they took out 10,000, 20,000, whatever amount of money. And they don't really talk about how much money they spent on these challenge accounts or prop firms by the time they got that payout. So you really have to take that into accounting as well. But if you consider it as a business, as an educational cost, then I would say that taking a few challenge or combine or evaluation accounts is definitely a good investment. And it also holds some other aspects as well, because as you're spending your money on these challenge accounts, you can be suffering from some mental challenges as well, because that's the thing that there's one thing when you learn the strategy, whatever you're using, let it be smart money concepts or support, supply and demand, support and resistance, it doesn't really matter. The biggest obstacle for me in last year was the mental challenge. I was the one who are causing the most troubles for myself, and it's because of the emotional aspect of trading. And you should be preparing for that too. There are going to be times, I promise you that, there are going to be times when you're going to be dealing with depression, you're going to be dealing with sadness, and maybe even you're going to be dealing with the thought that you're just going to give up, And all I can tell you is don't give up. You can never give up. If you're really passionate about trading, and you believe, and you really by your heart you believe that you can make a living from trading, then you should never give up. But you will suffer emotionally. I got depression from trading, not gonna lie guys. I got depression, and it was very, very hard to overcome it. I had multiple funded accounts at TopStep, at Apex. I was so close to getting my payout, and at the final day or before the final day that I was eligible for a payout, I just blown the account. My best winning streak, I was winning 16 days in a row. It was a great experience for me. I was always aiming for taking out $200, making $200 at any given trading day. And so I was maintaining this procedure for 16 days. But on the 17th day, all hell got loose. And basically the account, because I already taken some money from the account, so my threshold was lifted to $0, so I couldn't let my account balance go to $0, but it did. So in a given trading day, I lost, I don't even know how much, but basically I blown my funded account. The funded account that was actually providing me payout 2 times before that. And it can happen to the best of us. It can happen to you as well. And after that, not gonna lie, I was in kind of a depression for a few days. It was really hard to overcome it because I said to myself, what's the point? What the hell am I doing wrong here? If I'm sticking to my rules and, after 16 trading days, I was able to blow it in only one single day. Now that really, got me emotionally in a deep state. That was kind of a roller coaster for me, and I really had to build a new funded account up from there. And it was a hard experience, but you have to be prepared for these kind of days. Actually, if I would have, or should have, or could have, if I would have used proper risk management, that really would not have happened. Sorry, but it is what it is. I'm still dealing with emotions, and now today I know that the reason for losing that account was because I was too much emotional. I was over trading and revenge trading, and I realized that having a losing day, it's not the end of the world. So you have to be comfortable with that, and if you're aiming to have a winning day all the time, that is going to put an extra pressure on your shoulders. So please keep that in mind. It's really not a simple thing. Trading is a hard business, but again, you have to treat it as a business. And so I'm looking forward to build my channel this year on YouTube. I'm looking to build my Discord membership. I have uploaded some pretty nice educational material there. So far, if you're asking for my honest truth, I'm not making a living from trading, solely on trading, although I'm sacrificing all my savings, my time and everything to do this. But I hope that with the help of the channel and with the help of the community, and by learning more and evolving as a trader, sooner or later this year we will get there to be, should I say, constantly profitable. So I'm not thinking about buying a Lambo by the summer, but definitely aiming for a very, very good salary solely from trading. So this is my goal for this year. And besides that, I really hope that you guys consider to join my team or my group at Discord. You can find the link below. It's only $10. And before you ask what you get for $10, I'm not promising the world to you, but I do have some exclusive stuff for my members. I only have a few guys over there, guys and girls, and consider to join. It's for supporting the stream, the channel, the journey. And otherwise, I got affiliated with 3 prop firms as the start of this year now. So if you want to grab some discounts with TopStep or Apex or Take Profit Trader, you can use my codes and my links. It really helps the stream and the channel out too. So as for my goals, again, I'm really looking for in the next 3 to 6 months to achieve the kind of income, I should say constant profit taking, which would enable me to not just to pay my bills, but just to make a modest living solely from trading. So that would be the first step, and then we're going to evolve from there. And I'm very, very grateful for every one of you guys, for the regulars and for the new ones as well who join my streams and watching my channel. I'm really, really grateful to you, and I'm gonna put all the effort I can to build this channel and this community the best way I can. All right. So thank you again, and check out my blog, use my links, and join me on the streams, and we will have a good time, and let's build this trading career for you guys as well to be the best. This is going to be our best year, so let's go for it. See you guys.